I tried Sora Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Sora Wallet app, I honestly didn't know what to expect. It heard about the Sora network and its focus on decentralized finance, but I wanted to see if the wallet itself lived up to the hype. After 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Sora isn't just a wallet, it's a full gateway into a growing decentralized economy that feels surprisingly smooth to use. On day 1, the setup was quick. Creating a new wallet took seconds, and the interface was modern, colorful, and intuitive. No confusion, no tech jargon, just a clean design that even a beginner could navigate. By day 2, I started exploring Sora's unique token XR, which powers the network. You can stake it, use it for liquidity, and even participate in governance decisions. This makes the app feel more like a mini financial hub rather than just a storage wallet. By day 4, I began testing transactions. Transfers within the Sora network were lightning fast, and the built-in bridge allowed easy movement of assets between networks like Polkadot and Ethereum. Most people get this wrong. They think cross-chain transfers are complicated, but Sora makes it nearly effortless. By day 6, I explored the built-in decentralized exchange. You can swap tokens instantly, all while maintaining custody of your funds. No CNAPs, no kick, no centralized middleman. It's pure DeFi simplicity. By the 7th day, the shocking truth became clear. The Sora wallet isn't just a crypto wallet, it's a complete financial ecosystem that gives users control over their assets and their voice in how the network evolves. If you're curious about decentralized finance, but intimidated by complex apps, Sora wallet might be the perfect starting point. It's sleek, fast, and built for the future of borderless finance. The real surprise? It feels effortless, and that's rare in crypto.